Okay, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Mark Rubio, and I'm in this instrumentation calibration class and Mr. class. And today we're going to show you how to hook up, control, loop, and calibrate a Rosemont pressure transmitter. A pressure transmitter is used for controlling and monitoring the pressure in the loop. The transmitter sends an electric signal to the controller and indicates the pressure. Having a well-calibrated instrument is very important in the process. If the process transmitter is reading wrong, it could mess up the whole process. Before any Alright guys, now to start talking about safety, always remember to use proper PPE, which most of the time consists of safety hard hats, safety glasses, FRC clothing, steel-toe boots, and proper head protection. Every test is different, so never compromise with safety. Or this could happen.
Hi, my name is Bo Cunningham, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your power supply to your controller to your transmitter out in the field. Alright, first thing you're wanting to do is hook up the positive from your power supply, the positive to your controller in the control room. Next thing you want to do is hook up your negative from the power supply to the negative to your transmitter out in the field. Well, we don't have wires long enough to reach out there, so they pre-installed electrical free lines that allow us to get to the instruments in the field. So what we're going to do, we're going to go from, if you want to come look over here, I'll show you. From the negative to your supply, from your power supply to free line number 1. So we're going to come over here into the field, and we're going to hook up from number 1, where we have our negative coming in, to the negative of the transmitter in the field. And so then now we have to get a negative back towards our control room, our controller. So we'll go from the positive here on our transmitter to free line number 2. Okay, so we get in the truck, drive back to the control room. We get back into the control room, so we hook number 2 for the negative. So we're going to go from our 2 here, the negative of the transmitter, to the negative of your control loop. And that is how you properly hook up your power supply, controller, and transmitter all in the same loop. Thank you.
Alright, here we have our 7-1800G flute pressure calibrator along with our Rosemont pressure transmitter. See, we have it hooked up, positive, positive, negative, negative. Hooked up our air line in here to, to pressurize it. And there's some screws right here for the zero and the range to adjust the milliamps in it and all that. So here, we'll pump it up and see what it is. Right now it's zeroed out at 4 milliamps. First off, you have to make sure this is closed. And then hold on. Just pump it up easy. And we're going to look for about 40 inches of water, and we're pretty close right there. So we'll take this and just fine tune it up to 40. And as you can see, it's right at 20 milliamps. So come over here, we have our calibration table and our 4 milliamps. It's, it'll read 0, and at 20, it's going to read 40. You do this just to make it easier, to transfer it from milliamps to see what your inches of water, or if you want to do it in PSI. And here's another little cheat sheet for our calibration table that our wonderful professor, Mr. Richard Tunstall, gave us. So here that is. So this is just a little segment on how to calibrate a Rosemont pressure transmitter.
Hi, my name is David, and today me and my group members, Logan, Peyton, and Marco, have talked to you guys about. Marco talked about safety, Peyton talked about calibrating the pressure transmitter, and Logan talked to you about hooking up from the remote from your control room to your unit. I hope you learned something today. This video is intended for information purposes only, and in no way are you now certified. Now you gotta go through the courses just like we're doing. Thank you.